60 years in building material equipment industry. 60-year experience in kiln and mill manufacturing. 116 successful cases of industrial waste residue production line. Highly recognized by more than 1,000 domestic and foreign customers. Who is the new benchmark in China's building materials and equipment industry? And who is becoming the focus of energy-saving reform of grinding equipment? After 60 years of development, Chang has developed into the most competitive national high-tech enterprise in the building materials equipment industry, which integrates design, research, manufacturing, installation, and sales. There are workshops covering 600,000 square meters. There are more than 500 sets of various large and medium-sized equipment such as diameter 8-meter vertical lathe and diameter 8-meter hobbing machine, with powerful processing capacity of 80,000 tons a year. Starting with the world. Chang's vertical mills have been favored by customers at home and abroad because of its first-class technology, smooth operation, energy saving, low consumption, and full specifications. We built the first domestic GGBFS demonstration and training base with annual output of 600,000 tons, following the environmental protection trend of using industrial waste residue, turning waste into wealth and resource utilization. By now, we have built 116 slag, steel slag, and nickel slag EPC production lines for our clients at home and abroad. We are the first to put forward the general contract concept of one mill with 8 services, and quickly developed from a vertical mill supplier to an integrated service supplier of grinding system who can provide raw material testing, scheme design, equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, technical training, design capacity and quality reaching, intelligent service and spare parts. The Chang of Xinjiang, the Chang of the world. Since the first ball-type tube mill was successfully produced in 1971, more than 3,000 sets of tube mills and rotary kilns and over 200 sets of GRM series vertical mills in various specifications have been made. Today, the products of Chang have been sold to more than 60 countries and regions in the world, such as Germany, Korea, Japan, India, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and so on. Chang also realized the long-term cooperation with China Building Materials Group, Shanghai Baosteel, POSCO, SMS Simag, Voestalpine, Mittal, etc. Centering on the concept of all for users, we have established and improved a series of quality management systems and inspection standards which are higher than the industrial standards. We have built an advanced steel casting base to ensure the quality of critical parts and shorten the production time. We have imported physical and chemical testing equipment with complete specifications, which effectively improved the product qualification rate and ensured the stability of product quality. The quality data at more than 100 control points can be traced from the signing of orders, drawing design, planning and scheduling of production and manufacturing, quality inspection, cargo transportation to the final installation and debugging, which truly makes the customer be at ease when make choice, free from worry when use the product, and feel comfortable when enjoy services. We build the brand with high quality. We successively obtained over 100 honors, including National High-Tech Enterprise, Henan Provincial Vertical Mill Technology Center, Henan Provincial Technology Center, Small Giants in Science and Technology in Henan Province, and Standard Quality Management Enterprises. Besides, our GRMS 5341 vertical mill was identified as the first heavy and large technical equipment in Henan Province. It is recognition and affirmation to us. it will encourage us to insist on innovation and enhance our determination of being China first-rate integrated service supplier of grinding system.
创新永无止境，我们的事业才刚刚开始。长城人在为机械行业注入活力的同时，更会以产业开拓的最新成果影响人民的生活，实现与客户的深度融合，引领我们的行业迈向一个新的、更高的顶点，重建建材装备行业生态链。